Got to do a turn signal today in a 2013 Passat. Yeah, let's have a look. Well, I said I'd put the replacement part in the description, but here it is. It's in the video. 7506 long life. You get a pair of them. Since the turn indicator is off on one side, which is the left side actually, the driver's side, I'm gonna do the other side, do them both at the same time. Turn signal's in here. Gotta get that out. How you get that out? You start over here. You're gonna go inside the trunk and you're gonna find this panel, and you're gonna pull the panel off so you can see the lights up here. So when you get in here, there's a red tab right here, and this red tab, you have to pull that out. Pull it away from the fixture, I guess is a way to say it. It's on the inside. It's on the far side from where your hand is. So you got to get around the back of it, your fingernail in there, and just pull this little tab, and it comes out this way. And then you can disconnect the wire like that. And then you're going to unscrew this that holds the fixture in, take the whole fixture out. So this is a spring-loaded screw. You saw that. You unscrew that on the inside and the whole fixture comes off. So make sure you get your hand on that and you don't drop it. Now that you've got it out, these little push tabs right here, you're going to release these push tabs. There's 3 of them, 4 of them, okay? And then this gray unit with the seal is going to pop off. So most of these I could do with my fingers. I found it was easier to start on this side and then go to the sides. This one was last. I just used a screwdriver to separate the tab. That gave it enough leverage and so it could come out. Now once you pull this out, pull it out gently. You've got a wire attached to it. You're not going to disconnect the wire. You're just going to take this bulb out, replace the bulb. You can see this is a single filament bulb. So all it does is turn signal. It's single orientation, doesn't really matter. So you just go get a replacement for this bulb. You can look these up online. Let's see if I can include a description. I'll include the part number in the description. When you're putting the bulb in, you can see it has these little nipples on it that stick out. And then in the fixture itself, you can see a cutout on each side. So line up those little nipples with the cutout, and once you get it seated, then you can push it down, just push it down and turn it, and that will lock it in place. Reverse the process for putting it back together. Put this part back in, be careful of the wires, make sure you route them correctly. Push it down, make sure all these tabs lock in place, and then just go ahead and put it back in. Now make note, when you're taking it out, at the top you've got this little tab here. When this unit comes out, you're gonna pop it out, right? It has to come down a little bit and out. There's actually a little notch for that in the unit right here. You can see that notch, and that notch is going to slide. You're going to put that in first and then slide that up into this fixture that's holding it in place at the top. So once you get that top part in, you slide that in first, and then you can slide the whole thing into place, push it into place, make sure it's seated properly, hold it in place, put your screw back in. You're really just going to get this hand tight till it feels like it's firm, but you don't want to over tighten this. It's spring loaded. It's only plastic on the other side, right? So you're gonna tighten that, but you don't have to go super tight. Just make sure it's firm and in place. Then you're gonna put your wire back on. You're gonna line this up properly. Again, that red tab goes to the rear. So the wires are facing you. Push it down into place, and then push the red tab back down and lock it. Now, something to note is when you're doing the driver's side, the wires are closest to the bolt, the red tab is away from you. Now let's have a look at the passenger side. On the passenger side, the red tab is closest to the bolt and the wires are away. So it's reversed. You gotta make note of things like that when you take things apart and put them back together. Make sure you put them in right. The professionals always tell you don't handle the bulbs with your fingers, because the oils from your fingers leave a film on the bulb, and then when the bulb turns on and gets hot, it leaves a haze or a unclear